Good afternoon from cold Netherlands. We're going to start up this black RD350LC. Very nice black 350LC. Engine is completely rebuilt by the former owner, and after that only 500 kilometers made. It smells very good. We did complete service on the bike, so it's completely ready for the new owner. Nog een keer, nog een keer, en dat heb je gemist. Hier is het. Wow! Cool. Right. Really cool bike. What a bike. Oh, wel mooi hè? Oh ja. Ja, de Wheelie monster. Really beautiful. So if you're looking for a black RD350LC with a rebuilt engine, this could be an interesting bike for you. Really good. Beautiful black RD350LC. We also have a couple of white ones if you prefer a white, but the black one is more rare. So if you're interested in this bike, don't hesitate to contact me for more information, price, and we can ship worldwide. If you have an address or name of the harbor, we can make you an offer. And don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel and subscribe vintagemotorcycles.nl. Okay, thanks for watching again. Bye bye.